Input is the data or information that is provided to a program which the program processes. Input. Again, input.
Processing. Manipulation or transformation of the input data by the program, which involves perform calculations, execute operations, make decisions, and so on. Processing. Output. The result or output data that are generated by the program as a result of processing the input data. Output. Console. User interface that allows output informations to be displayed in a terminal or command prompt. Console
is a term that refers to the main code file in a C# application, which contains the endpoint of the program. Program is an action that a program can perform to read input data from a file, user input, or other source. Read.
Line. A sequence of characters in a text file that represents a single unit of text, typically terminated by a line break or a carriage return. Okay, let's pronunciate it now, right? Line. Good job, bro.
The key refers to a physical button or a key on the keyboard that can be pressed or released, which generates a data entry on the computer.
Key. Again, key.
Write. Write is an action that a program can perform to display output information to a console or other user interface. Okay, let's pronunciation it now. Write. Nice.
Switch is a control flow statement in C# that tests a variable or expression against a set of cases and executed the code associated with the first matching case.
Switch.
While is a keyword that is used to define a while loop, which repeatedly executes a block of codes as long as the condition is true. While. Do while is a keyword that begins a do-while loop, which executes block of code repeatedly until a condition is met. Do while.
For each is a loop construct in C# that allows you to iterate over the elements of a collection or array. For each. Again, for each. Namespace is a way to organize code and prevent naming conflicts by grouping related code under a single namespace. Namespace. Again, namespace.
Using is a keyword that indicates the import of a namespace into the code. Using.
System is a namespace in C# that contains classes and methods for working with the operating system, such as file and folder manipulation. Okay, let's pronunciate it now. System. Good.
Class is a data type in C# that represents a reference type, which is allocated on the heap and can be more flexible than a struct. Class.
A struct is a C# data type that represents a value type, is allocated in the stack, can be more efficient in terms of performance.
Struct. Again, struct.
Public is an access modifier in C# that allows access to a method, property, or field from any part of the program.
Public. Again, public.
Private is an access modifier in C# that restricts access to a method, property, or field to within the same class.
Private. Again, private.
An interface is a set of methods and properties that define a contract or behavior that a class or structure can implement.
Interface. Again, interface.
New is an operator in C# that is used to create a new instance of a class or struct. New. Again, new.
Is a keyword in C# that is used to access a method and return a value to the caller. Return.
Void is a keyword that indicates a method or function that does not return a value. Void.